you all are fine. In this video again I'm going to discuss one of the word problem of direct and inverse variation. Okay, so coming to the question says that the cost of 15 meters of a cloth is rupees 981. Okay, so 15 meters will be the first quantity, that is the length of the cloth. We will take it as the first quantity, and the price of that cloth we will take it as the next or the other quantity or variable y. Okay, so what length of this cloth can we purchase? We have to find the length of the cloth when the price is rupees 1308. Okay, so the two quantities that we are taking, x and y, x as the length of the cloth and y as the price of the cloth. So now we'll see that whether they are in direct or inverse variation. So see, more the length of the cloth, the price will be more. Lesser the length of the cloth, the price will be less. It means when one quantity increases, the other quantity increases as well, and when one quantity decreases, the other quantity decreases as well. So they are in direct variation. So let's see how to solve this. So we got these two quantities. So we will take the length of the cloth. We can take it as x, and the price of the cloth, take it as y. Okay, so when the length of the cloth was 15 meters, the price was 981 rupees. Okay, and we have to find the length of the cloth, so we take it as x2. Okay, and the price is 1308, that is y2. Okay, so the first quantity x1, y1, x2, y2. As they are in direct variation, we have to apply x1 upon y1 is equal to x2 upon y2. Now put the values. X1 we have taken as 15 and your y1 is 981 is equal to x2. We don't have the value, we have to find this value, and this is 1308. Okay, now cross multiply this one. So we get 15 into 308, 1308 upon 981 is equal to x2. Okay, now how we will solve it? 5 3s are 15, then it will be cancelling by 3, 3 3s are 9, here it is 3 2s are 6, 7 3s are 21, 3 27 1s are 5 into 4, that is x2 is equal to your 20 meters of cloth. So when the cloth length, the length of the cloth was 15 meters, it was, the price was 981, and when the price was 1308, the length of the cloth also increased. Okay, and it was 20 meters. So you can see that when the length is less, the price is less. When the length is more, the price is also more. Okay, so hope you understood this question. So if you have any other doubt, you can write to me in the comment section. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, then kindly subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button.